Hey guys, today I'm in the factory to check the quality for you guys and about the 4x4, 5x5, 30x4 frontal enclosure. And as you know, every day I'm so busy and I can always stay in the factory to make this kind of video for you guys. So this is a very good video to show you how we work here. In the future, if you guys want me to make another video, I'm not sure if I have time because you know I'm very busy every day. So we already arranged the 4x4 closure for you guys. This one. We have about this 30x4 frontal. Some people will ask how we handle this big quantity of hair exporting every day. I already told you guys that we have people to check quality every day before we ship the hair out. So the workers are already working here to check the quality. Every pieces we must check before we ship the hair out. It's very important that we need to control the quality very well to make sure our brand is very well. We are building the brand very well and the quality we guarantee. So there is no problem, no shedding, no tangle for every pieces of hair. So the workers, she's combing the hair now and she's straightening the hair as some clients required us to do that. You can also use this iron to iron the hair to check the quality of the hair, because when you iron the hair, if you see the hair is burned, that means it's not 100% human hair. But now you see it's 100% human hair when we are ironing this kind of human hair like this. I will show you another workshop. You follow me. Follow me. Not